But the Range Rover is just kind of like a nice place to be. You know, you get in the car and you're like, oh, this is a really comfortable seat. Like, I feel like I'm sat in a lounge. The drive is absolutely ridiculous. I think what I love best about the Range Rover, you know, you're inside it, you got this enormous ceiling of a glass panoramic roof. It's absolutely massive. The engine just glides ridiculously. Right now I'm driving the P460e hybrid, and I know the cars get so much heat on reliability and breaking down and insurance. Look, at the end of the day, the car itself is nice, it's comfortable, beautiful to drive. It's smart, it's nice, it's slick. You're in there, you feel good. Is it the most reliable car in the world? Look, from my experience, and touch wood, I've not had that many problems. I read things online, I see what people see, and I think they're getting better. A lot of the newer models seem to have much less problems. A lot of the newer models are better on insurance. And a lot of the newer models in terms of technology keep getting better and better. So I think we have to understand that. But at the end of the day, the Range Rover is just pure luxury. I like it because it's, I don't want to say low-key luxury, but it's not like massively flash, you know? It's not some big Bentayga, or it's not like a Cullinan, or it's not some Aurus. It's an acceptable, nice luxury business car. So you pull up to a place and it's comfortable, it's luxury, it's nice. That's why I love the Range Rover.